In the world of space exploration, progress is usually slow and methodical. For decades, building rockets has meant years of painstaking design, testing, and assembly, with each launch feeling like a rare, monumental event. But at Starbase, SpaceX is rewriting the script. Here the pace is relentless, the ambition palpable in the air, and the sense of urgency is unlike anything the industry has seen before. Here, Super Heavy Booster 19 and Starship 39 have come together at a pace that's almost unbelievable. What once took years is now happening in a matter of weeks, thanks to a culture of innovation and constant iteration. Imagine building a skyscraper in weeks, not years. That's what's happening in South Texas. The scale and speed of construction here rival the world's fastest industries, transforming the landscape almost overnight. Booster 19, taller than the Statue of Liberty, was stacked in just 2 weeks, each steel ring precisely welded in place. Every weld, every joint, is a testament to the skill and dedication of the teams working around the clock. This isn't just faster, it's a revolution in rocket manufacturing. Advanced robotics, modular construction, and streamlined workflows are turning what was once a craft into a true industry. SpaceX is moving from handcrafted prototypes to rapid, repeatable production. The factory floor now hums with the energy of mass production, where each new Starship is built with lessons learned from the last. Ship 39, the spacecraft destined for the Moon and Mars, was ready just as quickly. Its construction is a symbol of SpaceX's vision to make space travel routine, not rare. Both are being built in parallel, like two dancers preparing for a synchronized performance. This choreography of engineering ensures that no time is wasted, and every step brings us closer to the stars. This is the birth of a fleet, not just a single rocket. Starbase is becoming a launch pad for a new era, where multiple missions can be prepared and launched in rapid succession. The days of waiting years between launches may soon be over. With each new booster and ship, the dream of regular, affordable access to space comes closer to reality. Starbase's relentless rhythm is setting the pace for a new era in spaceflight. The countdown to the future has already begun, and it's moving faster than anyone ever imagined. How does SpaceX move so fast? What's the secret behind their breakneck pace, when so many others in the aerospace industry seem to move at a crawl? It's not magic, it's relentless innovation and constant iteration. SpaceX thrives on a culture where new ideas are tested quickly, and improvements are made without hesitation. Every mistake becomes a lesson, every process gets streamlined, and rockets are designed for manufacturing from the start. Instead of fearing failure, SpaceX embraces it, using each setback as a springboard for progress. The factory itself is dynamic, with improvements applied to every new rocket, not just future generations. This means that lessons learned today are implemented tomorrow, creating a living, breathing production line that's always evolving. The steel rings forming the rocket's body are now assembled with increasing automation, turning a bottleneck into a smooth operation. Robots and advanced machinery work side by side with engineers, boosting both speed and precision. SpaceX is building the machine that builds the machine. By investing in cutting-edge manufacturing, they're able to scale up production and push the boundaries of what's possible in rocketry. Internal systems are modular, designed for quick installation and easy troubleshooting. This modularity means upgrades and repairs can happen in days, not weeks, keeping the pace relentless. Raptor engines are produced at a breakneck pace, each one better than the last. The engine shop is a hive of activity, where lessons from every test are immediately fed back into the next build. Booster 19 is the sum of all these lessons. Faster, stronger, more reliable. It's a testament to SpaceX's philosophy of rapid iteration and continuous improvement. This cycle of building, testing, and improving is SpaceX's real engine of progress. Each launch, each test, and even each failure feeds directly into the next breakthrough. Failures aren't setbacks, they're fuel for the next leap forward. Every explosion, every flaw, is a data point that accelerates the journey to success. That's how SpaceX keeps breaking its own speed records, by never standing still, always learning, and always pushing the limits of what's possible in spaceflight. Rocket launches unleash immense power, an awe-inspiring force that can be felt for miles around. The ground trembles, the air vibrates, and the sheer energy released in those first moments is staggering. But harnessing this power safely is an art form in itself, requiring precision engineering and innovative solutions. With 33 Raptor engines firing in unison, the Starship's launch is a symphony of controlled chaos. Each engine contributes to a thunderous roar, and together, They generate enough thrust to shake the ground for miles in every direction. Protecting the launch pad is crucial for reusability, and that's where Starbase's new flame trench deluge system comes in. This system isn't just about shielding concrete. It's about enabling a future where rockets can launch, land, and relaunch from the same pad, over and over again. When engines ignite, a flood of water is unleashed beneath the rocket. This deluge absorbs the intense heat and dampens the violent vibrations, preventing catastrophic damage to the pad. It's a carefully orchestrated dance between fire and water, designed to save the pad from destruction. Early Starship tests showed what happens without this protection: scorched concrete, flying debris, and costly repairs. Now with the new system in place, the launch pad is more robust and efficient than ever before, setting a new standard for reliability. Steel-reinforced flame deflectors and high-capacity water delivery systems are true game-changers. These innovations work together to redirect the rocket's exhaust and dissipate energy, ensuring the pad can withstand repeated launches. We've seen dramatic water plume tests, with towering jets of water proving the system's strength. These tests aren't just for show, they're critical demonstrations that the infrastructure can handle the most extreme conditions. A launch pad that survives the fury of launch can be ready for the next flight in days, not months. This rapid turnaround is essential for the future of spaceflight, where frequency and reliability are key. This focus on ground infrastructure is what makes rapid reusability possible. Every pipe, every bolt, and every system is designed for endurance and quick recovery, supporting a new era of space operations. SpaceX is thinking beyond the rocket. Every launch cycle, every turnaround, every detail on the ground is part of the mission. The goal is to make launches as routine as possible, just like any other form of transportation. With a durable, water-cooled pad, starships could launch as often as airplanes, opening the door to a future where space travel is accessible and frequent. It's a vital step toward making spaceflight routine, transforming the extraordinary into the everyday, and bringing humanity closer to the stars. The rapid assembly of Booster 19 and Ship 39 is just the beginning. Enter the Gigabay, a massive new factory at Starbase, designed for true mass production. Instead of scattered tents and bays, everything will happen under one roof with climate control and automation. Multiple production lines will build several starships at once, applying car factory principles to spaceships. Robotic welding, automated transport, and streamlined workstations will slash build times and costs. The Gigabay will enable specialized Starship variants, tanker landers, cargo haulers, and more. This is how Starship becomes a versatile platform, not just a one-off project. The Gigabay is the foundation for a multi-planetary future. These breakthroughs aren't isolated, they're part of a grand vision for humanity's future in space. Rapid progress with Booster 19 and Ship 39 is a milestone toward routine, reliable launches. The first big target, the Moon. NASA has picked Starship for Artemis lunar landings, which will require orbital refueling and frequent launches. Fast production and launch cadence make this possible. Beyond the Moon lies Mars, Elon Musk's dream of a self-sustaining city. Only a fleet of reusable starships can make that scale of migration possible. Starship's payload capacity could also revolutionize technology in orbit. Think orbital data centers and giant telescopes. The work at Starbase is about more than travel. It's about transforming our relationship with space. Every step brings us closer to a future once reserved for science fiction. For most of history, humanity has been confined to Earth. Starship test flights are changing that. They're the first steps toward opening the solar system to everyone. Each flight, success or failure, accelerates our learning and feeds directly into the next design. This rapid iteration is what sets this era apart from the slow, cautious past. The goal makes space travel as routine as flying across continents. When that happens, new industries and scientific breakthroughs will follow. The journey to the Moon and Mars will become regular, not rare. Starship's technologies will ripple through our economy and society. These are the first steps of a planetary species becoming a cosmic one. For millennia, we gazed at the stars and dreamed. Now we're building the tools to reach them. Starship is more than a rocket. It's a symbol of human curiosity and ambition. The rapid progress at Starbase proves that bold visions can become reality. It's a reminder that we can solve big problems and shape our own future. One day, today's starships will be seen as the ancestors of fleets traveling between worlds. This is the moment when humanity's future expanded beyond Earth. The cosmos is calling and we're finally answering. Every new section of steel, every successful test brings us closer. We're learning to build our way to the stars. In doing so, we're defining what it means to be human.